out to James Bond Island.
So cool, yeah. Yeah, it's my first time.
We are in Phang Nga Bay and we are canoeing into the caves. I've seen this village and this school on television before. Today we are taking a boat tour out to James Bond Island. Hopefully going to see some beautiful island scenery and go kayaking and whatnot. So let's check out the James Bond Island, yeah. Yeah, so we signed up for one of these group boat tours from our hotel, and so we got picked up by a shuttle bus. We were the only ones in it, which was nice, and they bring us to this Marina pier. There's gonna be 25 people on the boat, and they got us in this waiting room, got some complimentary tea and coffee and breakfast snacks. It's feeling a little touristy, but the weather looks beautiful today, so I'm hopeful. See what the day has in store for us now. Going out to James Bond Island and one or two other places, I think. I'm looking forward to it. Let's go. This is Kai Island. All of these islands surrounding Phuket are really beautiful. These are a top tourist destination for a reason. Awesome, majestical. Look at this sexy beach babe.
Who are you?
I'm your master.
What you want, master?
I want you to be happy.
Oh, that sounds so like not the master.
Yeah, it's really beautiful here. I'm gonna go snorkeling on the other side. Clear blue. It's time for some snorkeling. I'm gonna put the camera down for a bit. Do you like it?
So cool, yeah. Yeah, it's my first time.
There's a lot of awesome fish out there.
Yeah.
You did good, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, the reef actually looks pretty good.
Yeah.
Like there's some coral out there.
I didn't go like very far like you. I saw you go so far.
Yeah.
Yeah, I go a bit like not like this line. Yeah,
I just lost track. I kept going.
I satisfied it myself.
Good
first
job.
Time. Yeah. Woo.
It's not that hard.
Yeah,
You just
not,
breathe.
yeah, it's not hard. It's very easy.
Yeah, that was awesome. Exceeded my expectations. There's some nice looking coral out there. Cool looking fish. Some dope reefs. Just nice. Having some coconuts in paradise.
480 baht. That one, no, not two, right? But anyway, it's still so
Yeah.
much expensive. It's pricey here.
You're on a tiny island in the middle of the ocean.
Yeah, but it's good to have like coconut juice right now after snorkeling, walking around the beach.
Yeah.
Worth it.
Is it nice? All right, we are in Phang Nga Bay and we are canoeing into the caves. This is awesome. It is beautiful.
Titanic.
Let's hope it's not the Titanic.
Oh yeah, that's right. But babe, you'll be Jack and you Rose.
I'll be Rose.
Oh, you said you sacrificed for me.
Oh yeah, I did, didn't I?
Yeah.
Well, there was a casting change.
This is Diamond Ring Cave. Yeah, that's right. I did.
I think she just named it
No, he just told me.
based on her desires. Man, that was majestical. Phang Nga Bay, so many awesome islands and rock formations and cliffs and caves. I am digging it. I diggy bop it. I was worried about going on this group tour that there'd be too many people and it would be disturbing, but it's not so bad. The boat's not completely full. We have arrived at Panyee Island for lunch. How do you say it, babe? Panyee Island?
Panyee.
Panyee Island.
ใช่ไหมคะ It's Panyee Island, babe. Pronounce again.
Panyee
No,
Island. Yes.
Panyee.
Panyee.
P-A-N-Y-E. Panyee. สวัสดีค่ะ
This looks good. It looks beautiful. Beautiful day. Hey, hey. We're here at Panyee Village. Panyee Village. This is a famous Muslim community built in the middle of the sea near these islands. Yeah. This is amazing. I've seen this village and this school on television before. I didn't really realize that this is where we are coming. The people are friendly here. Of course, they rely a lot on tourism and want to sell a bunch of souvenirs and whatnot. But yeah, it is what it is. It's a cool place. Imagine growing up going to school here in this setting. This floating football field is famous. Famous floating football field. You having fun, babe?
James Bond's Island.
Here we are at James Bond Island. This is pretty awesome. Got blessed with some beautiful weather today, and I am digging this. The sea is beautiful. It's just spectacular scenery. I've never been here in Phang Nga Bay, but it has exceeded my expectations. I've only seen it in the tourist photos and videos online and whatnot, but it is dope. It is beautiful. My lady, come, my lady.
Yes, master. I love island.
Cute wants to go parasailing. They brought us to this kind of lame anticlimactic island. Naka Island.
Yeah, Naka Island.
Yeah, definitely an anticlimactic ending to the trip, but I have had a fantastic time. What we saw was beautiful. This place just seems like a money drain, but whatever. Everything else was awesome. So what'd you think of the trip, babe?
Anywhere with him, always nice.
Yeah, I was blown away by today. I wasn't expecting much, but it far exceeded my expectations.
Yeah, me too. Even it's joy tour, but it's pretty
Yeah, I was kind of worried, like with the big tour group, that there might be a lot of people, but it wasn't bad at all. The name of our tour company was Island Dream. They're not sponsoring this video or anything, but it was really good, so I can recommend. See you tomorrow for our last full day in Phuket. Yes.